Can daily squats help transform your entire body? Well, let's dive in and find out. When you think of squats, you might picture toned legs and stronger glutes. But squats are so much more than a leg exercise. They're one of the best compound exercises you can do. Now, what does that mean? A compound exercise is one that works multiple muscle groups at the same time. So, when you're doing a squat, you're not just working your legs. You're engaging your core, your glutes, and even your back and shoulders. It's a full-body workout disguised as a leg exercise. But the benefits of squats go beyond muscle building. Squats can enhance your sports performance. How? Well, squats help improve your force production and power output. This means that they can make you faster, stronger, and more agile in whatever sport you play. And it's not just about sports. Squats can improve your daily physical movements too. Whether you're lifting heavy boxes, playing with your kids, or just going about your daily tasks, squats make it all easier. They strengthen your bones and joints, making you less prone to injury. Do you want a flat stomach? Squats can help with that. They activate your core muscles, leading to improved stability. This in turn can help reduce your risk of injury. Not to mention, a strong core can help you maintain a better posture and look more confident. Squats also prepare your body for training by raising your body temperature, activating your major muscles, and increasing blood flow. This makes them a fantastic warm-up exercise before you dive into your main workout. In addition, squats can help you burn calories and promote weight loss. They activate large muscle groups, meaning you burn more calories during your workout. And when you combine squats with other compound exercises, you can maximize your calorie burn and get the most out of your strength training workouts. So, to answer the question, can daily squats help transform your entire body? Yes, they can. Squats are not just for legs, they are a full-body workout. They can help you become fitter, stronger, and healthier. So, why not incorporate them into your daily routine? Remember, it's not about perfect form, it's about progress and consistency. So squats are not just for legs, they are a full-body workout. But wait, there's more. Squats can do wonders beyond just building muscles. Diving into the depths of squats, we find that they are a powerhouse of benefits that go beyond mere muscle building. They are an exercise that makes a difference to your entire body, not just your legs. Intrigued? Let's explore this further. One of the less obvious benefits of squats is their ability to strengthen your bones and joints. Yes, you heard it right. Regular squatting can significantly bolster your bone density. This is because squats are a weight-bearing exercise, which means they force your body to resist gravity. This resistance stimulates your bones to become stronger and denser, helping to protect against conditions like osteoporosis. And it's not just your bones that get stronger, your joints do too. Squats involve a range of motion that strengthens the muscles around your joints, providing them with better support. This can lead to reduced joint pain and can also help to mitigate the risk of injury. Speaking of injury prevention, squats are an amazing tool. They help to stabilize your joints, improve your flexibility, and enhance your mobility. All of these contribute to a reduced risk of injury in your day-to-day life and in your other workouts. Now let's talk about your core. You might think that squats are all about the lower body, but they actually do a fantastic job of activating your core muscles. Every time you squat, you're engaging your abdominal and lower back muscles, leading to improved stability. This helps to protect your spine and reduce the risk of back injury. It's like getting a mini core workout every time you squat. Lastly, squats are a great way to prepare your body for further training. They raise your body temperature, activate your major muscles, increase your blood flow, and improve your motor patterns. All of these effects prime your body for other exercises, making squats an excellent warm-up routine. So, squats are not just about muscles, they contribute to your overall health. And that's why they're a fantastic addition to any fitness regimen. So, the next time you're thinking about skipping your squats, remember all the amazing benefits they bring beyond just building muscles. You might be wondering, how can daily squats enhance my sports performance? Let's dive into that. Squats are a powerhouse of a move for a reason. They train your glutes, quads, and hamstrings, some of the biggest muscle groups in your body. This, in turn, improves your force production and power output. What does that mean, you ask? Well, force production is the ability of your muscles to generate force. This is crucial in nearly every sport, whether you're sprinting, jumping, or throwing. Power output, on the other hand, is the rate at which you can use this force. It's all about speed and strength combined. So if you're a basketball player aiming for that high jump shot, or a sprinter looking to shave seconds off your 100-meter dash, squats can help. They train your muscles to be more powerful and efficient, boosting your athletic performance. So if you're an athlete or just enjoy sports, squats can give you that extra edge. Did you know squats can even improve your posture and balance? It might come as a surprise, but the humble squat is a powerhouse when it comes to enhancing your posture. The secret lies in the muscles that squats target. When you squat, you're not just working your leg and glute muscles, you're also engaging your back, shoulders, and core. Let's break it down. A squat is a full-body exercise. As you lower your body and then rise again, you're using your back muscles to keep your body upright. This helps strengthen those muscles, which in turn supports a straighter, more confident posture. So, if you've been hunching over your desk, squats might be the solution to straightening up. But what about your shoulders? Well, a proper squat form requires you to keep your shoulders back and chest out. This engages your shoulder muscles and helps pull back the shoulders, further improving your posture. Next, let's talk about the core. Your core muscles are like the control center of your body. They keep you stable and balanced during movement. When you perform a squat, your core is working overtime to keep you balanced, especially as you move up and down. Over time, this can lead to a stronger core, which contributes to better balance and stability. But the magic of squats doesn't stop at posture and balance. Squats also promote coordination. As a compound exercise, squats require multiple muscle groups to work together in harmony. This helps improve your overall coordination, making everyday movements smoother and more efficient. And if you're worried about flexibility, fear not. Squats can help with that too. The movement of a squat stretches your muscles, increasing your flexibility and range of motion. This can make other exercises easier and reduce your risk of injury. So, squats can make you stand taller and balance better, but they can also help you move with more grace and less risk of injury. It's clear that squats offer more than just a leg workout. They're a full-body tune-up, ready to help you move better, feel better, and live better. To top it off, squats provide a complete leg workout. A well-executed squat is like an orchestra, where every muscle plays its part in perfect harmony. The hamstrings, glutes, and quadriceps are the lead performers in this symphony of strength. Think of your hamstrings as the backbone, providing stability and control. Your glutes, or the muscles in your buttocks, are the powerhouses, driving you upwards from the lowest point of your squat. Lastly, your quadriceps, the large muscles in the front of your thighs, extend your knees and give you that final push to stand tall. Now let's talk technique. Start by placing your feet shoulder-width apart, toes pointed forward or slightly outwards. As you lower your body, imagine sitting back into a chair, keeping your knees behind your toes. Keep your chest up and shoulders back, maintaining a neutral spine. Push through your heels to stand, squeezing your glutes at the top. Remember, technique is key for a safe and effective squat workout. But what if squats are too challenging or too easy for you? Well, don't worry, there's always room for modification. Squats are versatile and can be adjusted to meet your current fitness level and goals. So let's dive in and explore how you can modify your squats. First up, consider decreasing your range of motion. If you're just starting out or dealing with a mobility issue, you might find a full squat difficult. In that case, you can perform a partial squat, going only as low as you feel comfortable. As your strength and flexibility improve, you can gradually increase your range of motion. If you're finding squats too easy, well, that's a good problem to have. One way to up the ante is by adding weight. You can start with dumbbells, holding one in each hand as you squat. Or for a more challenging variation, try a barbell back squat or front squat. Remember, always prioritize form over weight. A different way to modify your squats is by changing the position of your weight. For instance, holding a kettlebell in front of your chest or a dumbbell overhead can add an extra challenge and work different muscle groups. Now, how about adding an extra motion? This can make your squats more dynamic and functional. For example, you can add a twist at the top of your squat, or a kick, or a jump. These modifications not only increase the intensity of your squats, but also help improve your balance and coordination. Lastly, think about tempo. You can slow down your squats, taking 3 to 4 seconds to lower and rise. This increases time under tension, which can lead to greater muscle growth. Or you can try explosive squats, where you lower slowly and then power up as fast as you can, which can improve power output. With these modifications, you can tailor squats to suit your fitness level and goals. Remember, it's not about how many squats you can do or how heavy you can lift, but about consistently challenging yourself and moving towards a healthier, stronger you. So, go ahead, give these modifications a try, and let's see how much further you can take your squat game. If you enjoyed this content, consider supporting my channel by liking this video and subscribing for more valuable insights on your journey to a healthier and happier lifestyle. Thumbs up.